All right, we've got a really fun video for you today. I know that a lot of you are super busy moms who are looking for a quick, affordable, and easy way to get a lot of nutrients, vitamins, minerals into yourself and into your kids so that everybody can function at their optimal. So we're making brownies today, gluten-free, that contain my product Sol Terra. Sol Terra is mesquite pod flour based. The benefits of mesquite pod flour include it's got a naturally occurring amount of sucrose and fructose, these sugars, but it also has a lot of soluble and insoluble fiber, which act as a time release, not just to the sugars, but to the other nutrients, fats, carbohydrates that are in the brownies, because we don't want the moms out there crashing from the sugar spike, and we certainly don't want the kids bouncing off the walls. Some of the supertonic Chinese herbs that are in here are also going to really balance out the nervous system. And I've actually seen it many times, and I've heard a lot of responses from moms saying that it actually helps to balance their children's moods. Oh, well, you want to see the kitty? Some of these herbs are really going to help to kind of balance the mood swings and the energy levels and help to make things more even keel so that we have enough sustained energy to be able to get through the day. Now, this recipe is going to be super simple. You'll find that recipe in a link in the description. And you'll be able to head over to the website as well to be able to purchase this product. And this is not only good for brownies, I put this in my daughter's pancakes, and I put it in smoothies and milkshakes. I've even literally sprinkled it on top of ice cream and mixed that in really well. It's a very versatile product. A lot of you guys don't really know what mesquite is. It's a tree that grows in the desert Southwest around here, and it's in the legume family, and it creates this bean. It produces this bean filled with the pods. And to recipes, you might be wondering what in the world is that going to do to the flavor? It adds kind of a malty, earthy flavor to it that actually, in my opinion, I don't know about you, T-Zone, but it really enhances the flavor, especially of sweeter things. So here, it's going in. And Tracy, about how long does this recipe take from start to finish to put together and come out?
I think it took me probably 10 minutes maybe to put everything together,
amazing.
Maybe 5. And then it's gonna go into the oven for, I think, 20, 25 minutes.
Oh, it is still rolling. Okay, great.
Oh,
here we go. Right, just came out of the oven. They've been cooling down for a few minutes, and now it's ready for us to try.
Now I was gonna bite. Baby approved.
And because of the nutrient-dense content of this food, this is actually I wouldn't feel bad giving this to my daughter, even for breakfast, packing it into a lunch. These are really easy to pack for school lunches. Wrap these up, throw them in the car. You got a great, convenient road food. You don't have to stop for ridiculous snacks. Again, the recipe is in the description of this video. Head over to the website so you can purchase some Sol Terra to start including in your recipes at home for a really easy, quick fix.